Thoracic spine injuries generally aren't that common, but among military service members and especially military veterans, degenerative conditions of the thoracic spine can be closely linked to neck injuries and cervical spine degenerative conditions. I discussed that association in this video. My name is Dr. David Geier, triple board certified orthopedic surgeon, sports medicine specialist, and anti-aging and regenerative medicine expert. I help military veterans by writing Nexus letters that argue that your orthopedic injuries are connected to your military training and service so you can get the compensation you deserve. Now, the thoracic spine is basically the spine in this region. Cervical spine in the neck, lumbar spine in the lower back. Thoracic spine is basically at the level of the rib cage. Cervical spine injuries and cervical spine degenerative condition, again, of the neck, those have been shown to at least contribute to thoracic spine degenerative disc disease, and it's through interconnected what we call biomechanical systems and mechanisms and physiological mechanisms. The cervical spine injury alters the mechanics of the spine. It redistributes stress to the lower spinal levels. Thoracic spine, and to a lesser extent, the lumbar spine. A cervical spine injury disrupts the normal alignment and disrupts the normal movement patterns of the spine. This misalignment can lead to compensatory changes in the thoracic spine, increasing stress on the intervertebral discs, especially between the thoracic vertebrae. Over time, that increased stress can accelerate degenerative disc disease, weakening the disc structure, reducing its ability to resist and absorb the impact forces on the thoracic spine, leading to things like thoracic spine degenerative disc disease. You have that process going on, again, from the underlying degenerative disc disease or whatever the condition is in the neck, compounding that by wear and tear from demanding physical activities certainly can lead to thoracic spine issues. Studies have shown there's at least an association. It's hard to prove cause and effect here, as I argue sometimes in Nexus letters when C&P examiners sort of push back and say there's no evidence that cervical spine can cause thoracic spine, but there's no question that the biomechanic and physiologic mechanisms at play can lead to, and studies have shown, an association between degenerative changes in the cervical spine and degenerative changes in the thoracic spine, especially at the upper thoracic spine levels, say T1 to T6. And again, researchers think that it's that those regions share common degenerative mechanisms, again, due to proximity and the interconnected relationship of those spinal motion segments. Cervical injuries can lead to postural adaptations, increased what we call thoracic kyphosis, or hunching over more, upper back muscle imbalances, then that place additional strain on the thoracic spine, and specifically increased stress on the intervertebral disc between the thoracic spine levels. That leads to degradation of the discs and loss of the structural integrity of the discs, contributing to the thoracic spine degenerative disc disease. Now, if you're interested in learning more about the disability claims process, thoracic spine, or really any other orthopedic condition, you can get a free copy of my new ebook, The 8 Most Common Reasons the VA Denies Service Connection for Disability Claims, and how you can beat them. Just click the link in the description below this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, click the bell to be notified when I release a new video. And if you're potentially interested in working with me on a Nexus letter for your orthopedic injury or condition, you can click that same link that gets you the ebook completely for free. If you scroll down, you'll get a complete description of what it's like to work with me, what it's like to work with my team, and it talks about the process. And I want to say we do everything we can to make the process, Nexus letter process, DBQ process, as simple as we can, as quick as we can for you. And I really try hard to write a Nexus letter that gives you the best chance of success in your claim. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to helping you much, much more.